जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्य योगम 71st श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा गिविंग हिज टीचिंग्स टू ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ अस along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that, "Ho Arjuna, do you want to attain peace? If you want to attain peace, you have to give up all desires. If you want to give up all desires, you have to give up longingness towards the objects, which is known as spruha. If you want to give up that spruha, you have to give up the sense of attachment with the objects and the people which and who are related to only the body, which is known as mamakaram. You have to give up that. If you want to give up that mamakaram, you have to give up the misunderstanding, the delusion that you are the body. Thinking that you are the body is ahankaram. If you give up that ahankaram, then you will be able to give up the attachment with the things and people related to the body. You will be able to give up the mamakaram. If you give up the mamakaram, you will be able to give up the longingness. If you give up the longingness, you will be able to give up all desires. Then you will attain peace. Like this, Sri Krishna Paramatma giving us a clear process for all of us to follow to attain peace. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, let us repeat Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Vihaya kaman yas sarvan pumamscharati nispruhaha nirmamo nirahankaraha sasantim adhigacchati. Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, "Always think about me, become my devotee, do all your activities as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day, at least through one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my teachings among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. "Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep thinking about you. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall become your devotee. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not cry anymore. Ho Srimannarayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day, at least through one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, I shall keep on spreading your teachings among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad-Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad-Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava-sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Srimannarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi, Narayanam Namaskritya, Naranchaiva Narottamam, Devim Saraswatim Vyasam, Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Pradhamaskandham, Suta Mahamuni disclosing to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, when that Munibalaka came back to ashramam, he has seen his father still sitting in tapasya, but that dead serpent is on his shoulders. When this son of that Muni has seen that scene, immediately outpouringly he cried, outbursted, Dukkharto Mukta Kanto Rurodaha. He cried a lot, and when he cried so loudly, that Muni has opened his eyes and saw his son, and also saw a dead snake is on his shoulders. So that Muni first threw away that snake, and then now asking his son that, oh my dear son, why are you crying? Ekidu nacharimpamu lokulakunmanamu sarvaloka samulamun. We don't harm anyone, we don't cause any troubles to anyone. Sokim panela putraka. Why are you crying? Did anyone say anything to you? Kakodara mela voche kantambunakun. How did I get this dead snake on my shoulders? Like this, that Semika Muni asked his son. And then son told him everything what happened and about the curse that he gave to the king. Then the Semika Muni did not appreciate the work, the thing that his son has done. On top of that, Semika Muni felt so bad. Alpiya sidrohe ururdamodhrutaha. Oh my dear son, for such a small mistake that king has done, how did you curse to that extent? How did you give that kind of strong curse? Oh my dear son, you are not enough matured. You know who is the king? Nrubhihi naradevam parakhyam. Sakshat Paramatma is the king. King is an equivalent to Paramatma. We have to respect him. We should not curse him. We have to respect him. We should not cause any kind of harm to him. He is the one, king is the one who confers all kind of favors upon the entire population. He is the one who confers happiness to the entire population. That is why, O my dear son, I cannot appreciate what you have done. Sakshat Sri Mahavishnu himself comes down as a king to take care of the entire kingdom and protect the entire universe. Oh my dear son, if king is not there, in the kingdom people will kill each other. Like this, the Semika Muni is saying to his son. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Krishna Tvadiya Padapankaja Panjarantam Adyaiva me Visatu Manasarajahamsaha Pranaprayana Samaye Kaphavata Pittaihi Kantavarodhana Vidhau Smaranam Kutaste. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 71st sloka. Vihaya kaman yassarvan pumamscharati nispruhaha nirmamo nirahankaraha sasantim adhigacchati. Vihaya kamanyas sarvan pumamscharati nispruhaha nirmamo nirahankaraha sasantim adhigacchati. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.